Hi guys, it's Rashanda. Welcome back. I'm not going to talk for long, but I just wanted to say I wanted to become more consistent with my eating habits, so I decided I was going to meal prep this week. I'm going to make English muffins, which I'm just going to freeze and then microwave or maybe put in the oven every morning. I'm going to make meatballs with broccoli and carrots. I honestly hate meal prepping. It just takes forever. But the time that you save, I wanted to try something new. So I decided to make these Mongolian beef meatballs that I saw on Pinterest. I kind of fell out of love with cooking, but Pinterest is re-inspiring me. So if you have any recommendations for food that I should try, please comment that down below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I do talk a little bit later in the video, but not for long.
Making a big deal out of the little things, 'cause I got big deals and I got little things, got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to. From late until late, I think about you. You're on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. 'Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine.
Okay, so I included this clip of me washing my dishes because I just want to complain for 40 seconds about how much I hate doing my dishes. I procrastinate doing my dishes so often, and it literally takes 10 minutes to do them. All I know is in my future home, my forever home, I am going to have a dishwasher. Maybe because I grew up with a dishwasher in my childhood home, but my dad never used it. So I kind of just grew up always washing dishes, but now that I'm an adult, washing dishes is just such an inconvenience. I hate doing dishes. I'll do them, but it's just constant.